Hello? Is someone there? The toilet is biological warfare in here. Please, you must help. He's just sitting there.
I see you. I see everything.
All right.
Give me milk.
1 minute.
Your eye's gonna be mine soon.
Sorry, sir.
So you're the new bar guy. We've been waiting for a long time. Hope you're ready for an eternal torture.
Eternal what?
I would love to see you. You're boring. Soon. We did nothing wrong.
I'm tired from driving this train. I hope you've got some snacks. The restaurant is closed.
Aren't you supposed to be driving the train?
Give me some water and juice. I need to take my medicine.
1 minute.
Open up! I just want to place an order. What's wrong with you?
Keep the suitcase safe. After your shift, they'll know what to do with it. Do not open it in any circumstance.
Okay.
Good afternoon, kid. It's my first time riding a train like this. Everything seems normal, yet somehow it doesn't.
Good afternoon. Many people say that.
I travel a lot because of my business and decided to take train for the first time to observe the country. The weather outside reminds me of home.
Very strange.
Please, pour me some coffee, my friend.
That would be $15.
Thanks, man.
What a shame. I broke my instrument. My wife will kill me.
That's a shame.
Sometimes it seems to me that during my performance,
Very strange.
give me a cocktail. My head is splitting.
Of course, that'll be $20.
Thanks, buddy.
I'm so tired of these trips my boss sends me on. The company bought me a ticket for this train. Looks like they decided to save money.
Bet they did.
The weather outside is breathtaking, but the window in my compartment is making strange noises.
Probably broke down.
Just give me a coffee and cookie, please.
Sure.
Thank you. It's nice to be able to talk to someone sometimes.
Hi, I barely made it onto the train. I'm completely worn out, like after rehearsals. It's unbearably stuffy in here.
Good luck with your performance.
Most. She sometimes stares at me.
You're just overthinking.
Give me something refreshing with as little sugar as possible.
I'll take care of it right away.
It's really delicious. Just what I needed. Thanks. Hi. It's pretty unusual here. Sometimes it feels like someone's watching me.
You see a lot of stuff on trains.
Why it feels like we standing still. Do you feel it?
Maybe you imagined it.
Could I have a cocktail, please, with less ice?
Of course.
Great, just the way I like it.
What's up, buddy? Listen carefully and don't ask me questions. The thing inside the suitcase, it's a lock, and this train has been feeding it for a very long time. If you left it sealed, there may still be a way to stop all of this on the 5th night. When you wake up somewhere wrong, listen to the heartbeat and free the train.
Hello.
I think you should get some rest.
Give me a coffee and cookie.
Sure.
Friendship is magic. Thanks, man.
Wow, such a creepy atmosphere here. Are you not scared being here a whole night?
I'm used to it.
We would like some coffee and maybe some snack. Cookie, if you have some.
1 minute.
Thank you.
You look miserable, son.